Hey guys, it's me, Ivy. So sorry if my eyes get really tired or anything, because I had just had an eye appointment, and I'm getting glasses, and I picked them out a couple days ago when my mom was getting checking out for her glasses. So I'm getting cute glasses. So, anyways, um, sorry, my finger itches. Anyways, I'm sorry I haven't made any videos. Been doing a lot of stuff with my family or my mom. They got a mattress. They were checking out mattresses and stuff. I don't know what I want, but I have to wait for quite some time, but that's okay. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started on what's in my Birchbox. Hey, there it is. That's what it looks like. So yeah, the only one thing I didn't get is a bonus sample because there was nothing that I wanted. Like, I don't need more hair stuff. I don't need this. I don't need that. So, I just have 5 things. So, let's get started. So, it's Soak in the Sunshine. And it has some things like for skin and PF and all that good stuff in the spring and summer. This is what I got. My lighting today. Oh my god. This weather's weird. Anyways, so I have, let's do this in order. Comfort Zone. It's a cream to oil ultra gentle cleanser. This is what it looks like. Yeah, great size though. A lot of product. I can feel there's a lot of product. So this will be, but the full size is 35. So it's a cream, and when you put it on, you rub it in. I don't think you have to. No, you don't have to put water on your face. Just put this on and then just massage it in, and it turns to oil. It removes oil, dirt, all that stuff, and even makeup. So yeah, that's great. I need something like that. And then the next thing is a lip treatment. I never had a lip treatment. So I got some really good stuff that I never tried. So it's great. I have more skin and hair care. That's okay. Hair care is fine. But at least I have more skin stuff than makeup. Anyways, oh, this is clear. Okay. So this lip treatment one I got is clear. They also have pink. Full size is 20. It's an oil for hydrating and other good stuff for your lips. So that's great. I need something like that. And then the next product is something coffee face polish. Not good names. Full size is 32. Says, wake up tired, dull skin with this energizing face scrub infused with some sort of coffee, antioxidants, and whatever the other thing is. That I don't know. So it's like having a morning latte, but on your face. So this is what it looks like. Light though. I hate this light. It's hard to do natural light. Let's see. Anyways, the 2 last products is a shampoo and a conditioner. So I'll show you stuff on me. So shampoo and conditioner, nice full size for traveling. Like, so anyways, excuse me. So both of them are a out of control frizz and flyaways are not matched for this. Oh, they're both 12 by the way, for full size. For the Shea Butter Pack Shampoo. So it like moisturizes and softens your hair and stuff like that. That's the shampoo. The conditioner made with something shea butter leaves your hair looking shiny and silk. Cause you know my hair gets dull. You know, I wash it and it looks like, oh, that looks nice, and then the next day I'm like, oh, it's dry. But anyways, so yeah, that's what I got. I didn't get a sample because it's nothing good. But I really like what I got. I got things I never had, like a lip treatment. I never had that. Or I have scrubs, but never a coffee one. And I never had a cleanser for face. And these are cool because these will be really nice because I do have frizz and it will help my hair, help my curls. So yeah. I hope you guys like this video and I'll talk to you later. Oh, by the way, any other videos you guys want to see? I'm kind of running out of ideas. I need ideas. May is good. So I have like maybe 3 days. I still have to figure out what I'm doing. But at the end of May, anything you want me to do in June? Wow. Anything in the summer you want to see, just let me know down below. And I like doing tags. I like bringing back old tags that used to be popular, stuff like that, fun things like that. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.